everybody. Today we want to talk about the importance of healthy eating and regular exercise. A lot of you might be thinking, yeah, okay, I know this already. But we want to make sure everyone understands that a healthy diet and regular exercise are the only way to live a healthy life. Before we begin today's video, please take a moment to subscribe to the channel so you get notified when I come up with the next amazing video. A healthy diet is rich in nutrients to give your body all the energy it needs and is low in fat and calories to avoid weight. In addition to being healthy, you should also make sure that you exercise regularly. Exercise improves your mood, increases your energy levels, and can help you sleep better. Why is it important to eat healthy? For many people, the benefits of eating healthy are apparent, but for others, it's not as clear. If you're an average American, you already know that eating healthy is vital for general health, and that you should try to make healthy choices when you're buying food. However, the details of why this is so important can be challenging to understand. We can help you sort through the confusion and make healthy eating a habit. Healthy eating is the key to a healthy body. It is essential to know the number of calories you consume daily, or you will find yourself gaining weight. Vegetables and fruits are the healthiest foods you can eat. They are low in calories and high in nutrients. What do you eat has a more significant impact on your health than most people realize. Food is complex, and so are the repercussions of eating it. What you eat now affects your health in several ways, including your cholesterol levels, weight, blood pressure, mood, and mental health. As a result, it is essential to understand the nutritional value of the food you eat. How to eat healthy? Eating healthy can be challenging, but it doesn't have to be. The key to eating a healthy diet, while still enjoying the food you eat, is mindful of what you're consuming. You don't need to be a foodie to do this. In fact, all you need is a little knowledge, a willingness to experiment, and some common sense. The good news is that, while losing weight and getting fit might seem intimidating, it's a lot simpler than you think. You can eat fruits and vegetables, a high source of fiber, vitamins, and minerals. They are also low in calories. Include a good amount of protein and complex carbs in your meals and snacks. Also, choose healthy unsaturated fats such as nuts, seeds, and olives. Keep in mind the right balance of carbohydrates, protein, and other nutrients can help fuel your exercise routine. What are the health benefits of healthy eating? While it's easy to assume that eating a balanced diet is the way to good health, it's important to note that what you should eat to be healthier varies depending on your age, gender, health conditions, and more. The health benefits of healthy eating may also vary based on your dietary choices. However, there are several universally true things we know about the health benefits of healthy eating. Eating healthy is good for your heart. Eating a balanced diet rich in nutrients helps reduce your risk of coronary heart disease, which is the most common form of heart disease in the United States. Eating healthy helps you live longer. Eating a balanced diet is essential to living a long, healthy life. Eating healthy helps you maintain a healthy weight. Why is it important to exercise? Even though it's one of the most obvious things we should all do, it's often the first thing that gets pushed aside when life gets busy or we get lazy. But, as the old saying goes, if you don't use it, you lose it. Exercise is a habit you need to make a priority for your health. Your body has many processes that are constantly at work to keep you at a healthy weight. When you eat more calories than you burn, your body stores those extra calories as fat. If you burn more calories than you eat, your body will burn that stored fat instead. Exercise also increases your metabolism, which is the process by which your body turns food into energy. How to exercise regularly? Exercise is a necessity for good health. It helps keep your heart strong and your bones and muscles healthy. Exercise also helps reduce stress and improves your mood. There are many different exercises, including aerobic exercises, which get your heart pumping, and strength exercises, which help build muscle. Studies have shown that adults who get the recommended 150 minutes of aerobic activity a week and do 2 strength training sessions a week lose weight, build lean muscle, and reduce their overall risk of chronic disease. To get the most out of your workouts, make sure they include the elements of a safe and effective exercise session such as warm-up, aerobic activity, calm down, and strength training. What are the health benefits of exercising? Some think that physical exercise is a waste of time, while others think it is the only way to stay healthy. The truth is somewhere in between. Regular exercise is a healthy habit that can help you lose weight, reduce stress, improve your mood, sleep, and increase bone strength and flexibility. You can even exercise for fun. Try a new hobby like biking or skating. You might be surprised at how much you enjoy it and how many health benefits you gain from it. You might be more likely to stick with it if you understand the benefits of healthy eating and regular exercise. Let us know in the comments section, are you eating healthy food and exercising regularly? If you like this video and feel like it could help your friends, then share it right away. See you in the next video. Till then, stay healthily.